Okay, so on this question, they are saying write the standard equation for the hyperbola graphed above. So they want me to go from the graph back to the equation. You can see the answers already here. How did we come up with that answer? Well, first thing we have to realize is if you have a hyperbola with the branches going up and down, we don't. But if you do, that always means y squared is in the front. Right? Whatever letter's in the front, that tells you the direction. So that's what that would mean. Now, on the other hand, if you have the branches going right and left, then that means x squared is in the front instead of y squared. So whatever letter is in the front, that tells you the direction of the branches. So if y squared's in the front, the branches are going up and down. If x squared's in the front, the branches are going right and left. And that's what we have, right? We have branches going right and left. So we have x squared in the front. So our equation is got x squared in the front, y squared in the back. Now we just have to find the a, and it's centered at the origin, so it's just x squared and y squared, nothing up there next to x or y. So I got to find the a and the b. Well, what are the a and the b? Well, they come from the invisible box. You've got to make that invisible box visible. So where's the box exactly? Well, you can see it because of the corners of the asymptote lines. Remember, the asymptote lines go through the corners of the box. So, and the box hits the edges right here. See that right there? So the box hits these edges. The branches hit the middle edges of the box, and the asymptote lines go through the corners. So we can see that that must be x squared. Now, this how far right and left from the center, that's what goes underneath x. So that's 3 squared, right? That goes under x because it's right, left. And what goes under y is how far up, down, that's 4. Y is always up, down. Make that 4 a little bit better there. Equals 1. So simplify that. That's x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 is 1. There we go. And that's exactly what they got right there. So it's all about making the box. You decide the branches go right, left, so x squared's in the front, and then you know the branches hit the middle of the box, so make the box, and the asymptotes go through the corners of the box. So you make the box, then you know how far right and left, that goes underneath x, up and down, that goes underneath y, square them, and you got it.